And then what we do is we create, again, the microcontent. And the microcontent is effectively short form pieces of content made into memes, quotes, or stories. You can learn how to do this on YouTube. If you don't have a spouse or you don't have an assistant, you can take your phone and set it up on your shelf in your library or in your office, and you could hit record, back up a little bit, and talk about the services that you offer. You know, not getting into specifics, just talking about life insurance, talk about annuities, talk about the services that you offer, and then run back up and hit stop, and then you can look on YouTube and say, how do I edit this with my phone? And then you can just edit, just takes 10 minutes to edit you walking up to it and walking away from it. And so it's so simple to do this. It's in your hand. Yes, sir.
So that's like an example right there.
That's it. That's it. That's an example. That's exactly the meme, the quote, and it's just short forms made into just exactly like this.
What do you do with that?
That's what we're going to do right here. So once you have the pillar content, you can repurpose the best moments into many pieces of the micro content. Then we take the micro content and we put it to Facebook, the small one, and we got the images here. You can only do the maximum you can do is 45 minutes on Facebook. The maximum you can do on LinkedIn is 10 minutes. Twitter, who has a Twitter account in here? Yeah? Is it a business Twitter account or is it just for news? Both? All right. And you got Instagram. Anybody have Instagram accounts? And Snapchat. Who in the world would think Snapchat, besides for your kids, is actually a good platform to get annuity and life insurance customers? I sure didn't know it until about a year ago, until we're doing it. So, Emmett, that hopefully answers your question. The micro content, what my team does, or you can, looks at for moments that they think will resonate with my audience, which they turn into short form videos. So, for example, we take a long video like this one, and we cut it into a minute and 45-second video. We post it to Facebook, or we post the 3-minute version of it to Facebook. And you can all do it on your own phone by the trim. You can just trim it yourself and then sit post. Or when you do post it to, there's a button on your phone that when you log into Facebook that says upload a video, and you click it, the app, you upload the video, and then it'll give you the option to trim it. And you can trim it down. You squeeze the little button down or up and post it. And it's just a 1.5 minute piece of video, and you just type a little description at the bottom about the services you offer. And then the algorithms, I mean, I can't believe I'm talking about algorithms. I'm not even a geek guy, but the algorithms on Facebook and YouTube will, when you start posting enough stuff, will start getting it in front of people in your community that you choose it to get in front of. 65-year-olds, 100,000, income. You can, and LinkedIn, you can actually design who you want it to go to. People that work at independent school district, people that work at the hospital. You can actually trim all your content to actually go to people that work for specific companies in your community. Who would have ever thought of that? Normally when you do a mailer, you just mail out to a bunch of people. With these social media outlets, you could take your video and you could put it in front of people that work at the hospital down the street from your community. And the systems know this because they put this in their profile when they're, signing up. I work at this hospital, or I have keywords that, mimic, and the algorithms pick up and they put your video in front of the people. And more videos that these people see of you, you now have become an online influencer. Very similar to what I have done. When you see the amount of people, agents, that have seen my videos from our little office here in Conroe, it's remarkable. I mean, it really is.